Hey friends, Dave here with Transfer Express, and today I am very excited to share the newest heat transfer option available, and that is Goof-proof premium screen printed transfers. Now, whether you are a seasoned decorator, maybe an Etsy store owner, passionate creative, at-home entrepreneur, or just getting started with heat printing, this new transfer type is going to be a valuable tool for your apparel business. Now at Transfer Express, we are always listening to apparel decorators just like you. And you asked for easier placement and alignment with screen printed transfers, and we delivered. Goof-proof Premium features a clear carrier for a faster, more precise alignment process, making heat printing easier and more efficient than ever before. So let's dive into all of the details so you could be confident in your capabilities as a decorator, including when you should use Goof-proof Premium, how it stacks up against other heat transfer types, and how it could elevate your business. So are you ready? Let's get to it. Now, before we dive deep into this, let's quickly cover the basics of screen printed transfers, especially for those decorators that might be brand new to heat printing or maybe coming from using DTF transfers. Now, screen printed transfers like Goof-proof and Goof-proof Premium and even the Inktra transfers from Stalls are heat transfers that are screen printed onto a carrier sheet using plastisol ink. Yes, real deal screen printed plastisol ink. But instead of directly printing onto the garment, the ink is printed onto the sheet and cured just enough to be dry to the touch and not smudge around, right? We call this gelling. But when applied with heat and pressure with your heat press, the design is fully cured and transfers onto the fabric, giving you a durable, vibrant, and professional quality result without the need for huge screen printing presses or setups, the messy inks, emulsions, and all of the chemicals needed for cleanup. We handle all of that, so you only need a heat press to press and profit with screen print quality and durability. Now, screen print transfers look, feel, and wear just like a traditional screen printed t-shirt because yes, they are the same exact inks that you've likely already got printed on shirts in your closet. They are smooth and matte and show the garment texture in the print. And they are awesome for those quality, retail-ready finishes. Now here's how screen printed transfers compare to direct-to-film or DTF transfers. Now first, DTF transfers are great for those real detailed, full color designs with gradients or photorealistic effects. Now they really shine with one-offs, samples, small single pieces, or even those lower quantity runs. Now screen printed transfers, on the other hand, excel at the bold, solid colors or any spot color artwork at high volume. Now they're often the most cost-effective choice for single color or limited color designs in those larger quantities, making them perfect for logos for corporate wear, team uniforms, event apparel, band merch, and so much more. Now at 48 quantity on a single color print, we're looking at around 1 cent per square inch with Goof-proof Premium compared to the 5 or 6 cents per square inch that you're gonna average for those direct-to-film prints. And that's serious cost savings that are going to translate to profit for you and your business or brand. Now with Goof-proof Premium, you get the durability and vibrancy of plastisol ink and those screen prints, right? But you get the added benefits of a clear carrier like DTF for precise placement and a lower application temperature for heat-sensitive fabrics when compared to, say, traditional Goof-proof transfers. Now, Goof-proof Premium is building on everything that decorators already love about Goof-proof transfers with, yes, 2 major upgrades like we mentioned. First, it's that clear carrier sheet. Now, unlike the opaque paper carrier that's on the standard Goof-proof transfers, this clear carrier allows decorators to see exactly where they're placing their designs. Now, whether you're printing a left chest or a full back print, the clear carrier makes placement an absolute breeze. Now, Goof-proof Premium 2 is also compatible with the Hotronix ProPlace IQ projection system equipped on the dual air fusion heat press. Now, this is an absolutely incredible tool that helps with printing efficiency and accuracy for any print placement. You could quickly align the logo to the light for perfect placement every single time, regardless of how long you've been decorating apparel. Now, the second major difference, of course, is that lower temperature that I mentioned, and that's an application temperature at 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, this reduces the risk of those platen marks, say on those heat-sensitive garments like the 50-50 or maybe even 60-40 polyester cotton blends, and even with those increased recycled polyester content that we see in more and more garments these days. I love that they are recycling those plastic bottles into garments we could wear, but they're a little bit more heat sensitive than standard polyester. Goof Proof Premium delivers the same vibrant and opaque matte prints with a soft hand that customers absolutely love. It's designed for any color garment. Those prints will be nice and opaque, and it applies to cotton, polyester, and of course, cotton poly blends, making it versatile for almost any apparel project. If you're already familiar with heat printing, you're going to appreciate how Goof Proof Premium solves the common challenges with print placement and alignment, say, over the screen printed transfers on those paper carriers. Now, if you're coming from direct to film, here's when you should choose screen printed transfers like Goof Proof Premium. Number one, for those single color or limited color designs. I'm talking spot color designs, just like some of these examples, where you need that nice, bold, solid print. Now, they're also great for high volume orders where printing speed, cost efficiency, and durability are absolutely critical. And they're also great for logos and branding that need to be that exact brand color, because you could do custom Pantone matching and have the ink mixed specifically for your order so they are consistent from run to run, even if you need to reorder years from now. It is that exact same color. Now let's talk about how to order Goof Proof Premium transfers. It's very easy. Simply go to the EasyView online designer at transferexpress.com and select it as your transfer type in the lower left-hand corner. You'll find it with all of the other screen printed transfers. Now in EasyView, you could design your artwork online for free using one of the thousands of customizable layouts or clip art. You could build artwork completely from scratch or simply upload your own custom designs right here too, whether you're using Illustrator or Canva or Kittl or Photoshop. It doesn't matter. We'll take all of those different file types. Now, Goof Proof Premium is available in 26 standard ink colors here at launch, plus the custom Pantone matching that I mentioned, which is an additional fee. Now, multicolor prints are available, so you're not limited to just one ink color in your designs. Multicolor artwork is going to be backed with a clear plastisol adhesive for maximum durability, which is going to show just a thin adhesive outline in clear here on your finished prints. Now you're going to enjoy the spacious, jumbo-sized gang sheets measuring 12.5 by 17.5 inches, giving you plenty of room to fit multiple designs, inside tag prints, or prints for your other customers all right here on the same page. With gang sheets, anything you could fit in the same ink color prints for the same price, so fill up the sheet. Now the minimum order here is the same as our other screen printed transfers at just 6 sheets, making Goof Proof Premium accessible for any size job or brand that wants that retail look and feel. And with a fast turnaround, you're going to have your transfers ready to press in no time. They don't call us Transfer Express for nothing, right? Now let's chat some differences in printing specs and some design tips. Now to achieve the best results with Goof Proof Premium, keep the minimum requirements in mind. Now the minimum line thickness for printed areas is 0.009 inches. That's pretty thin. And the minimum show-through thickness or negative space for those non-printing areas is 0.034 inches. We just don't want to close it up and miss any of that small detail. Now for comparison, the standard Goof Proof requires slightly thicker lines. So this upgrade with Goof Proof Premium gives you more flexibility for those fine details. Now let's head back to the heat press and print some Goof Proof Premium transfers. First, we're going to load our garment onto the heat press. We want to make sure we have any obstructions, collars, and seams are away from our printing area and off our lower platen. Next, we'll preheat our garment for 3 to 5 seconds, removing any moisture and wrinkles. We'll be sure to set our heat press to 320 degrees Fahrenheit with it set to medium to firm pressure. So On a air-powered press, we're going to be looking at 60 to 80 psi, or a 6 to 8 setting on a manual press like we have here with our Hotronix auto clamp. Next, we'll press for 10 seconds. And when the press opens, we'll peel the carrier hot for a clean, professional result. And just like that, your Goof-proof premium heat transfer is applied. In some environments, you may experience some static with the film carrier sticking or clinging to the upper platen, the heating element of your heat press. But don't worry, you could actually just use a paper cover sheet or a piece of copy paper you have on top of the transfer carrier. Just don't use any Teflon cover sheets or any other heat-resistant covers, as it may block too much heat for a proper application. Now, before we wrap up, let's recap all of the key benefits that we have here with the brand new Goof-proof premium heat transfer. Number one, it's got a clear carrier, making placement faster and easier than ever with screen printed transfers. Second, we have a lower application temperature at that 320 degrees compared to the 365 degrees for standard Goof-proof. And that's going to protect heat-sensitive fabrics from any platen marks. Now, we'll also have that same premium matte finish, just like Goof-proof screen printed transfers that have been trusted by apparel decorators for more than 30 years. There is no shine or tackiness, just beautiful, professional results. We'll also have the high durability that screen printed transfers are known for. They are independently tested to withstand 50 plus wash cycles, which is the industry standard for the lifetime of a garment. And we also have to call out how cost effective they are. They are perfect for those high volume orders with no hidden setup fees. Pricing is shown on screen in Easy View when you're ordering and adjusts live based on any changes you may make, like adding additional ink colors. Now, Goof-proof Premium is the solution that decorators have been asking for. Whether you are printing for events, the uniforms, or retail business or e-commerce, this transfer type is designed to make your job easier and your finished results, those printed tees, so much better. Now, you could request your own sample and try it yourself at transferexpress.com. We're going to be sure to include a link in the description here below. Now, we are so excited for you to try Goof-proof Premium and see the difference it can make in your printed apparel. Don't wait. Head on over to transferexpress.com to request those samples or get started and place your first order here today. And if you've got questions or want to share your own results, we'd love to hear from a decorator just like you in the comments down below. We love to keep the conversation going long after the ink dries. But thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe right here to the Transfer Express YouTube channel to stay up to date on all of the heat printing tips, tricks, inspiration, and education that we're dropping every single week. But until next time, I'm Dave. Happy pressing.